Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, let me introduce myself. Myself Alicia Sood. I come from very small and beautiful city from which is in Bihar, named as Purnia, and this is my new channel. I have recently started it, and with the help of my friends, people, and your love, I'm growing. And today's video is completely dedicated to setting up a background when you don't have beautiful one. So when we will begin the video, you will come to know that I did not have a very fancy kind of room, very beautiful walls, like even the basic walls. I had lots of tons and tons of cracks in my wall, and I could not create anything, and I was willing to start my channel since very long. But this idea never popped up in my mind because I was working somewhere else as well. So during this lockdown, I went through a lot of setups, and then I realized that okay, this is the high time when I should start my channel. And today's video is completely dedicated to you as in you are the people, the viewers who are watching this, who wish to start their channel but don't know how. Well, sorry for the sticker, because just because of this background, the new start my mother did this. So if you guys are willing to start your own channel, and you are not, somehow you're not being able to start because you don't have a good beautiful background, you don't have enough money, you don't have anything, but you have content, you have ideas. So you just, what you have to do, just save your pocket money if you are youngsters, if you are college going, and if you are already working somewhere, if you have some source of money, like a little source of money, so just save some amount, start saving it from today, just little amount, and all you need is around 2000 rupees. And within 2000, not more than, not even 2000 rupees actually, around 1500, you can just create this background. I got this curtain, like this curtain which you're seeing in the background, from Amazon. I will link the description below. I got these lights from Amazon, and these plants of course from the local nursery. And yeah, that's all I needed. And if you guys are not believing that how I if you guys, like, I'm completely sweating right now, if you guys really want to see what the background was actually, so I'll show you. You see the walls, how cracked it is. It is completely cracked. So it is completely a broken wall in the background. So ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लगता है. It doesn't take a lot. You just need to be focused about what you want. You just need to pile up things and just realize कि चलो अब शुरू करना है. That's what I did, and I started. And it took almost an hour. Not an hour actually, but it was quite difficult for me to fix the nail on the wall because दीवारें बहुत पुरानी हैं, मोटी हैं, तो जल्दी से वो स्पेस नहीं मिलता जहाँ पे मैं नेल को हैम कर सकूँ. सो मैंने ये कर लिया, पर्दा लगा लिया, उसके बाद मैंने वीडियो शुरू किया. सो 10 रुपीज़ मीटर का एक स्प्रिंग तार मिलता है, वो मैंने 5 फीट का ले लिया, उसको कटवा लिया और उसको 2 जगह वॉल में काठी लगा दी. इफ़ यू विल सी अप साइड आई शो यू, वो देखो मैंने वहाँ पे वो जो आप देख रहे हो, मैंने वो 2 साइड में नेल्स लगा दिया, और उस तार में मैंने अपने इस पर्दे को लटका के उसमें ये लाइट्स लगा दी. एंड दीज लाइट्स लाइक अमेजिंग. ये थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव लाइट है, लाइक मैंने 800 रुपीज़ का लिया. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अफोर्डेबल, पीपल कैन अफोर्ड दिस. ये मैंने लिया, इसके साथ ही रिमोट सिस्टम आता है, एंड ऑल्सो दिस गेट्स कनेक्टेड विथ एनी ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ दिस पावर बैंक्स. आई हैव अ पावर बैंक, आई कनेक्टेड इट विद दिस. ऑल्सो आप अपने फ़ोन का अडाप्टर यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ इट. सो before we move further, I just want to request you that this is the beginning of my channel. I'm a fresher, I'm a beginner here. Just to appreciate me and appreciate my work, please share, please subscribe, and like it, and comment down below so that I know that मेरा work आपको पसंद आ रहा है and you're loving it. And thank you for stopping by. I love you. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video and see how I created this background in. I'm sorry, I just missed the beginning part. Somehow by mistake it got deleted. Actually, I first fixed the nail in 2 sides of the wall and attached it with a spring. That spring wire is available everywhere in the market. It just cost 10 rupees per feet, and I used 5 feet of the spring, and with the help of that spring I hung these curtains on the wall. And now I am just fixing the fairy lights, so you can see further what I am going. So I hope you enjoy watching. You must be noticing that I'm sweating like anything because yeah, I was doing this from a very long time. Actually, my walls are quite old. Like, this house was built back in the year like I think 1901. So these walls are quite thick, and it's really difficult to just hit the nail inside it. So it took me quite long, and that was the reason why I was sweating. And yeah. So guys, this is the surprise which I was preparing for since a very 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 long time, and it's ready, my dream, my everything. Because when you don't have a beautiful background, when you don't have a beautiful house, when you don't have fancy things to do, just create your own world. Like, and also I did not buy any ring light. This is a very special kind of light made by Prerit, my very 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 close super best friend, everything. He made this for me, and मैं इसको जला के भी आपको टोटल सेटअप दिखाती हूँ कैसा लग रहा है. So this is that light, and here are the another lights. So my background is completely ready, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I don't know, guys, you are liking it or not, but I am in love with this background. I know how much I have waited for this. Like, since very long I was trying to get this fixed, and now finally my background is ready. And now I'm gonna come up with my beautiful, my great videos, my everything. And this entire area is going to be covered up with cushion, and then bed sheet. यहाँ पे bed sheet लग जाएगा, यहाँ cushion लग जाएगा. And this is it. This is so beautiful, and I'll show you close up. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So as of now you are seeing this preparation, and this light comes with this amazing remote control system. Like, it has different modes. You can change to it, and you can get any mode. So suppose I am tapping number 3. So you see number 6. हाँ, ये रिमोट से होता है. एंड दिस इज नंबर 8, लास्ट मोड. पापा कैसा लग रहा है? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बैकग्राउंड बन गया ना, है ना? सुंदर लग रहा है. So as you can see in the background, that's my room. I am just changing it. If you will see the walls, these were like completely cracked from the back side. So this is completely cracked, and I am transforming it into a makeover, and this is going to be my studio. So I have already done some of the work, but for your reference, अगर आप future में कुछ ऐसा start करना चाहते हो, so just to teach you, I am doing this video. So let's get started.